Most drivers spend years behind the wheel without ever learning the small tricks that make car ownership easier, cheaper, and far less stressful. These aren't gimmicks or shortcuts that damage your car. These are practical car hacks that experienced drivers and mechanics quietly use every day. Once you know them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. First, always reset your trip meter when you fill up. This simple habit helps you track fuel consumption, detect sudden MPG drops, and spot problems like low tire pressure or engine issues early. When your mileage suddenly changes, it's your car telling you something is wrong. Second, use your windshield washer fluid more often than you think. You know, dirt and road film actually reduce your visibility way before the glass even looks dirty. Clean glass isn't just about looks, it really helps improve your reaction time and cuts down on eye strain, especially when you're driving at night. Third, always keep your fuel tank above a quarter full. Letting it run low over and over can overheat your fuel pump, since it actually relies on gasoline to stay cool. A failing fuel pump, well, that's pricey. And honestly, it's totally avoidable with just this one habit. Fourth, check tire pressure when seasons change. Temperature swings cause pressure changes that hurt miles per gallon and tire life. Properly inflated tires handle better, stop faster, and last longer. Fifth, use your parking brake regularly, even in automatic cars. This keeps the cables and mechanisms from seizing and reduces stress on the transmission's parking pal. It's a small habit that prevents costly repairs later. Sixth, clean your headlights with a proper restoration kit instead of replacing them. Cloudy headlights reduce visibility dramatically at night. You know, a simple restoration can really make your headlights look almost new again and bring back a ton of safety, all for just a fraction of the cost of replacing them. Seventh, it's a good idea to turn off your accessories before shutting the engine off. Leaving things like your headlights, climate control, and audio systems on, well, that actually adds extra load during your next startup, which can stress out the battery and the starter motor over time. Eighth, let your engine warm up by driving gently, not just sitting there idling. Modern engines, honestly, they warm up faster and more evenly when you drive smoothly. Long idling wastes fuel and increases carbon buildup. Ninth, don't rest your foot on the brake pedal while driving. This habit keeps the brakes partially engaged, causing premature wear and overheating. Light pressure also confuses drivers behind you because brake lights stay on. 10th, rotate your tires on schedule even if they look fine. Front and rear tires wear differently. Regular rotations ensure even wear, better handling, and longer tire life. 11th, keep a small emergency kit in your trunk. Jumper cables, a tire inflator, gloves, and a flashlight can turn a roadside disaster into, you know, just a minor inconvenience. Being prepared saves time, money, and honestly, a whole lot of stress. 12th, avoid topping off the fuel tank after the pump clicks off. Overfilling can damage the evaporative emission system, leading to check engine lights and, some pretty expensive repairs. 13th, replace cabin air filters regularly. A dirty cabin filter restricts airflow, strains the HVAC system and, well, just makes the interior feel stuffy. Clean airflow improves comfort and reduces strain on components. 14th, listen to your car. New noises, vibrations, or smells are early warnings. Addressing small issues early prevents breakdowns and saves significant money over time. Finally, keep maintenance records, even basic ones. Knowing when fluids were changed or parts replaced helps you stay on schedule and increases resale value when it's time to sell. These hacks don't require special tools, advanced knowledge, or extra money. They work because they prevent problems instead of reacting to them. The best car owners aren't lucky, they're informed. If these car hacks helped you, subscribe to Gear Specs. It directly supports the channel and allows me to keep sharing practical, real-world car advice that saves you money and keeps your vehicle reliable.